Hello everybody, previously we showed you how you can use the Tableau MCP from in OpenAI Agent Builder, Claude, a lot of tools, but a lot of people are using Gemini these days, and as you might know, you would add the custom MCP server of Tableau in your tool in order to interact with your data. There's a lot possible with the Gemini web app today, but adding a custom MCP tool, unfortunately, isn't one of them. Now, I'm 100% sure that this is on the roadmap of Google, but you want to have it today and you want to try experimenting with it. Well, using the MCP Super Assistant plugin, which we're going to toggle on right here, and when you refresh then, you see this little icon popping up in your Gemini environment. When you have that on the right side, you have the option of adding your Tableau MCP server on the right side. You can choose, depending on how it's being configured, WebSocket, SSE, or streamable HTTP. The last one was in our case, so we connected it, configured, and it will start to look a bit more familiar. The tool registry happening, and here we all see them. Now this is some kind of workaround, so you cannot just do list data sources on every query you send to the Gemini interface. You will need literally add the context of your MCP Super Assistant. How do we do that? We click on MCP. You see it reads out a lot of the instructions. I have also added a few Tableau MCP specific one, and when I click attach, then we can start doing stuff like list data sources, just to show you that it works. It should execute it automatically, but just to save some time, I'm gonna click run. You can, in settings, control how long the delay is between the auto inserts. So you see that Gemini pastes in the chat screen some text. This would happen automatically if you set this to 1 and not 4 seconds like I did for testing. So this is correct. On my Tableau server, I have a demo MCP project with 5-ish demo data sources, just to show you that it can take on analytical questions as well. There is a workforce data source in there, and I wonder how many consultants do we have? How many consultants do we have in the workforce assignments dataset? The focus here is not on showing how smart Gemini is, just showing how you can rather quickly set up yourself with the MCP server in Gemini. There we go, 15 consultants. I can confirm that is indeed the right answer to count distinct of the consultant ID of that published data source. This is probably the last video before the holidays. I wish you all a beautiful year-end, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and looking forward to see you all back in 2026.